Yeah, so some of you may be wondering, okay, so what are the Bernard, what are the most essential tools that you recommend us to use in our MLM business? Yeah, so in this episode, I'll be sharing with you some of the, tools. I will do it by part, where I'll explain one tool per video about the software, both free and paid. I will actually list out in the video title below, saying, and also would like to go through with you guys in detail on how the tool should be used, and also my personal review towards the tool if I myself have used it. Yeah. So sometimes the tools that I've introduced, I will introduce because my peers has been using it and I found it okay, quite cool, and maybe I would share along, and who knows, I'll be using it myself also, right? Yeah. So this next few videos, it will be consisting of me introducing the essential tools for you to use in your MLM business. Okay. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce the first tool, and this tool is free, right? This first free tool that I'm about to share with you is What's My SERP. So What's My SERP is actually, well, if you heard of keywords everywhere, it's something like a keyword search tool. It's a Google Chrome plugin, and so far for now, it only works in Google Chrome. But if you're using Microsoft Edge or maybe Yahoo Search, it may not work. But the developers are trying their best to actually work on it so that the plugin can also support in those two browsers. Okay. Yeah, it is actually written in the website over there. Yeah, so I will show you how this plugin works in Google Chrome, and let's begin. Okay, so we have the plugin right here. It's called What's My SERP. Yeah, so here's the link. I'll actually paste it in the video description below, so you guys can actually access it and get your own SERP checker right away. Yeah, so there are actually two packages here. One is the free version and one is the premium version, which costs $5 a month. Okay, so right now I have the free version here, the plugin tool for you, just to let you guys have a quick look on what's inside. Yeah, so the reason why I only have the free version instead of upgrading to premium, definitely I will go to get the premium package in future, is because the free version is more than enough for myself at this stage. Yeah, so once I'm ready, I'll definitely upgrade it to the premium package, and also show to you the premium features at some point of time. Okay. Yeah, so you can see this is the interface on how it looks like. Yeah, and also these are reasons and the features. So for the free version, you only have desktop tracking. Okay, and for those who have premium features, you can have both, and you can actually swap in between. Yeah, so local tracking, this is a coming soon feature, so I cannot show it to you right at the moment. And unlimited on-demand checks. Yeah, so for the free version, when it comes to the keyword checks, the maximum of keywords that you can fill in for the free version is actually 25. So if you have the premium version, there's no limit on it. That's why. Yeah, so right now it's only for Google Chrome at the moment. You can see here we're focusing on Google Search right now. Yeah, so in future they'll be releasing for Bing search engine and Yahoo search engine. So we'll probably have to wait quite some time just for them to get ready the feature and release it. Let's hope they release it as soon as possible, huh? Yep. Okay, so let's go to the interface. So once you create your account, and this is how it looks like. Then once you log in, this is what you see. So you can upgrade. Yeah, you can click upgrade now, just to let you know about the difference. Yeah. Okay, so yep, this is the all plans, unlimited checks. You can see this is the difference here. So the more you pay, the more keywords that you can get. Okay. Yeah, starting from $5. All right. So my bad about this. So because $5 a month is just what they said in front. So there's actually more packages in behind. Yeah. So of course you can see the more keywords that you want to search at the same time, the more expensive it gets. But that's normal. All right. So let's go back to the interface. Okay. So this is the domain. Let's say to add the domain, just click here, and you can add the domain. And also the keywords correspondingly. Okay. Yeah, so for medium, medium, this is my blog actually. So I can actually show you this one. So I use my blog as an example to actually test test how frequent, what are the frequent keywords that people use in Google search, so that they have a higher chances of them coming across to my blog and actually read my blog. Yeah, so you can see here self-liquidating example. Yeah, example, well, not so popular. You can see it's 55 here. Yeah, so but for self-liquidating offer, position 3, so you can see that it's this keyword is actually more popular compared to this keyword. You can see by the ranking distribution here. Yeah, so you can click here, check all to actually refresh the results. And also, if you have the premium feature, definitely you can see this type of graph just to know how well this keyword performed throughout in the last few days, and so on, so on. Okay. All right. So let's go back. A domain. Yeah. Okay. Same thing here. Just to type the domain here and add your keywords separated by commas. Yeah. Change desktop and mobile if you have premium package. Otherwise, with desktop should suffice mostly. And also click the country that you are interested in actually tracking the users keywords over there. And so aside from that, this What's My SERP also allow you to have a related keywords feature. You can see here, whenever you type something, let's say self-liquidating offer. Yeah, that's my blog right here. I can see that. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. So yeah, from here we have related keywords, and also you have people also search for keywords. Let's say I type something like network marketing, and just waiting for it to load for a while. You can see there's related keywords here. You can check the volume and also the cost per click right now. And you can also see the similar terms that people also search in here from the Google search engine. Okay. So you can even see the volume per month and also the cost per click. All right. And regarding the registration of this tool, I didn't really show it to you here because first of all, this is a review video, and second of all, just follow the on-screen instructions that they show you. I think it's very simple. Yeah, if not, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll also show you the step-by-steps on how to actually sign up by yourself in case you face some problems when you're trying to sign up for this tool. Yeah. Overall, it should be easy because they'll just follow the on-screen instructions they give you, type in your email, your password, and basically you're good to go. So that's all for today's review on the SEO tool. So if this is your first time here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is right below the button. So subscribe button at your bottom right corner of the screen, and also click on the notification bell so that you always receive the latest updates from me on me sharing you the tips and tricks for network marketing, and also some of the useful tools you can use in your own MLM business. Okay. Yeah. So also I have prepared a special course for just a training course, which is free. You can get it for free. I posted in the link in the description below. Yeah, just that if you want more training on network marketing, and this is the course for you. Okay, this free course is for you. So if you find this course useful after you have gone through my course, please do not forget to share it with whoever who needs help in network marketing. Yeah. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay.